How to clean glass shower doors. You might think your bathroom is clean. You wipe the counters, mop the floor, maybe even scrub the toilet once in a while. But there's something you see every day and probably ignore, a silent enemy building up, day after day. It's right in front of you, but you've trained yourself not to look at it. Yes, I'm talking about your glass shower doors. Let me tell you what happened a few weeks ago. It was one of those long days. Work stress, phone calls, barely any time to breathe. By the end of the day, all I wanted was a hot shower, the kind that lets you just stand there and let the stress drip off your body. You know the feeling, right? But as I opened the glass door to my shower, I paused. I looked closely for the first time in months. What I saw was disgusting. Streaks, white marks, water stains. Some of them looked permanent. But worse, there was something foggy about the glass. Not just visually, but emotionally. This wasn't just a dirty door. It was a reflection of something I hadn't addressed in a long time. A reflection of how often we overlook the things we see every day. The shower glass trap we all fall into. You see, shower glass doesn't become dirty overnight. It happens slowly. You don't notice it day by day because you see it so often. It becomes normal. One day, the buildup of soap scum, hard water minerals, and mildew becomes so thick that it stops looking like glass. And the worst part? No regular wipe can clean it. You scrub and scrub, but the stains remain. And here's the big question. If we can ignore something this visible, every single day, what else are we ignoring? So, I went on a mission. Not just to clean the glass, but to understand why it gets so dirty and how to fix it, not temporarily, but properly. And here's the surprising truth. Most people are cleaning their shower glass wrong. The sprays, the quick wipes, the random scrubbing, it's not enough. Because what you're dealing with isn't just dirt, it's mineral deposits, it's dried up soap, it's years of neglect. So I dug into research. I tried the methods, and after trial and error, I found the one way that actually works. Let me break it down. You don't need expensive products, just these basic things. White vinegar, baking soda, dish soap, a spray bottle, a microfiber cloth, and a magic eraser, or an old sponge. Step 1. Heat up the vinegar. Take 1 cup of white vinegar and heat it slightly, not boiling, just warm. Warm vinegar reacts better with hard water stains. Pour it into a spray bottle. Step 2. Mix with dish soap. Add a tablespoon of dish soap to the warm vinegar. Shake it gently. This combination breaks down both soap scum and water stains. Step 3. Spray generously. Spray the entire glass surface. Let it sit for 10 to 15 minutes. Step 4. Scrub with magic eraser or old sponge. Now, gently scrub in circular motions. You'll literally feel the smoothness returning as the grime lifts away. It's weirdly satisfying. Step 5. Rinse and dry. Rinse with warm water. Wipe dry with a microfiber cloth. Stand back and admire it. For every shower, use a squeegee. Yes, that's it. 10 seconds a day. And once a week, spray vinegar on the glass and wipe it down. No buildup, no stains, no stress. So here's my challenge to you. Tonight, before bed, walk into your bathroom, turn on the light, and look at your shower door, not with judgment, but with awareness. Notice the fog, notice the buildup, and ask yourself, what else in my life am I tolerating that I could be transforming? Because the power of change isn't in big revolutions, it's in small actions. A cloth, a spray bottle, a quiet decision to stop ignoring the obvious. If this video helped you see your space, and maybe yourself, a little differently, tap that like button. Subscribe for more stories that clean not just your home, but your perspective. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to subscribe to The Big Sweep and hit the bell icon for more practical advice. And for even more cleaning hacks and resources, join our community by clicking the link below. You'll get access to our free top 10 cleaning products list and our emergency speed cleaning checklist, plus a free and supportive community of like-minded individuals. Thank you for watching until next time. Take care of your reflections.